And we're back to Gimp. Someone asked me how we can blend multiple images into one. So just a simple blend, let's say of 4 images. Let me import them. Oh, that was one too many, I delete this. Let me number them 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously set up your canvas size first under File, New. I'm just going to use a simple YouTube thumbnail size. Then we're going to use the Scale tool, Shift S, and the Move tool, M. So I'm going to switch between these two using the short keys, Shift S for scaling and M for moving. And then I position them top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. This is the first step. So I'll go over them one by one. We make the second one visible, Shift S, I resize it, click on Scale, then M for the Move tool, I reposition it. Now we want to position it according to the first image, so let me find a good spot. You definitely want to have an overlap. So in this case, the second one is a little bit on top of the right side of the first one. And this is what you want. Then you go to the top one, in this case number 2, right click, add layer mask, make it fully white, confirm. Now we'll use the gradient tool. G is the short key for it. Make sure that you're on the layer mask and not the layer in the layers menu, so this should be highlighted. Then make sure that you use black and white as colors. If you don't have that, click on these little icons below, these color swatches. Pick foreground to background for the gradient, and then left click drag like this. You can hold Control, it's going to snap in the horizontal line. And it's going to blend our first 2 images with one another. And I think we can live with that. Afterwards, go to number 2, the top image, and then merge it by using this icon down here. So our first 2 images are now one. In this case, the colors work well, so the blending was fine. But I've also purposely used 2 images that don't blend that well. But you can see the method works. So the results, they depend a little bit on the images that you've chosen. But the method, it stays the same for all images. Once again, first step is to scale it properly and move it around. And then find a good overlap. Once you've got that done, we'll go to the top image. In this case, it's number 4. We're going to blend it with number 3. Right click on it and add layer mask yet again. We'll make it fully white once more. Make sure you are on the layer mask. Use the gradient. It's still black and white. Don't go too far or you can see the edge. We don't want that. As I've said, this blend doesn't work that well due to the colors of the photos, but the method, once again, it still works. Yet again, I'll merge the top one with the one below. Now we have 2 images, 1 and 3. Make sure you have an overlap. Go to the top one, in our case number 3, right click, add layer mask, fully white, use the gradient tool. Now go down top to bottom. Don't go too far because of the edge. And we've got that set up. Go to the top one and merge it again. And now you have all of these 4 images put together so they blend with one another. And this should be what you want. So to the one who asked me that in the comments, this is the method that I would use. If there are problems or this wasn't exactly what you needed, let me know. And I'll have to think about it a little bit more. But in general, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.